T-Series,
Yes.
they recently passed 100 million
100 million.
subscribers.
100 million, no big deal. What can I say? It was destined to happen. It was inevitable. T-Series, 100 million subscribers. Of course, they had the PewDiePie race going on, but it was just kind of obvious as an outsider tracking the numbers. T-Series was set to demolish planet Earth. And look, I'm YouTube has increasingly become this global medium. That's really what the T-Series story is about. It's about access to content regardless of where you are in the world. It's about access to content regardless of which device you happen to be on. It's about access to content on your terms. Pick up where you left off. I mean, it's everything that the traditional television industry was not or could not possibly be because of technological advancement and all the things that took place for YouTube to become what it's become. For YouTube to become the thing that allows this show to exist. And so this number right here, I mean, it's just a number, obviously, but for me, it's representative of a shift, of a change in the global landscape. For me, this is 100 million people online interacting with YouTube, interacting with the platform that I'm speaking on. I'm sure some of these 100 million people are here watching this right now. I'm sure there's a T-Series subscriber watching this right now. And sort of showcasing how the global landscape for content is no longer one-dimensional. It's no longer in one place, housed in one city. It's no longer just Hollywood, Will. It's no longer just New York City. It's spread out now. It's everywhere for everyone. And you pick, you choose. Democratized content. You've seen all kinds of traditional media come to this platform. I don't know where T-Series actually stacks up because my understanding is some of this stuff goes on TV there, some of it goes on YouTube there. I don't really know how it's distributed. But increasingly, YouTube is becoming, and the internet is becoming the first screen, not the second screen anymore. That the audiences represented here are bigger, more enthusiastic, motivated than the other screen, the traditional media screen, which sort of dominated for so long. So I'm celebrating this 100 million. I'm not celebrating it like they beat PewDiePie or whatever. I'm obviously not talking about it in that context. I'm just saying it showcases the power of the platform, and it showcases how many people are connecting via this platform. And for me, that's exciting. Shout out to India. Shout out to everybody watching from India, by the way.